Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Just going to do a little market breakdown. As you can see, I have pivots up. That's the 200 pip range right there. Just to let you guys know. Pretty much almost about a 200 pip range. 110 to 109, that's 100 pips. To 108, that would be 200 pips. Okay, it's about 145. 145 pip range. As y'all see, the market has been doing exactly what it's doing. And what we got here is a market structure. It's been moving up. It powered up right here. You can see that is a powerful move right there. I mean, look at the angle on that. It's almost straight up. It's almost completely horizontal. Look at that. Look at that. That's not that much off. That was a powerful move. And it slowed down. Look at the momentum. It went up. It still go up. Still going up. We ended alone. Right now, we had a nice little momentum down right here that was pretty strong, but it was weak. It was pretty weak as far as, it didn't do none of this. This was a strong move. This is a strong move. This is a strong move. It's not as strong. This down movement was powerful. That was long. That was a very powerful down movement. It took a day, but it did what it needed to do. Right now, we have a structure here. This upside movement, I really doubt that it's going to continue too much longer. You might look and you can try to draw a pattern here, but that's a channel here. Let's continue on. Let's look at this structure. That's basically what we call market consolidation. It's gonna do what it's gonna do a big powerful move here in a momentarily. And it's gonna be like it's gonna be real strong. So those who are waiting to make a trade on USDJPY, it's gonna do something big. I'm looking at it on the 10-minute chart right now, and I know it's gonna be a strong movement for those who do binary options, and you want to do a binary option trade on this. So 1 hour, 2 hour trade will be coming soon. Right now, the market's consolidating as we speak. So come consolidation, it's gonna become a movement. After consolidation, there is a movement. There's consolidation here, and there was the movement. There was consolidation here, and there was the movement. Now the market just kind of meandered along. It really didn't make no real positive gain. It did make a new high. As far as a 1 day high. So it was the high of the day right there. It did move up. It was still moving up. When you look at the whole, it was still in the strong, uptrend motion. You see, I drew a trend line here. I'm not drawing. I don't know how other people draw trend lines here. I don't use trend line. I don't know as far as I don't know. Generally, how you like to use people like to use. They'll probably just go pull this up and draw a big ass trend line up this way and saying, "Hey, the market's going up." I mean, it did. It exactly did what it did because you got lower highs. You got lower highs. As you can see, the lower highs aren't that much bigger. So momentum is slowing down in the market. And we had a little bit of showed a little strength here. Like it flexed a little bit like high, and I'm going to go down a little bit. So I'm not gonna tell you what to do with this trade. All I can do is tell you this: you better pay attention to what's going on. A nice trade is gonna happen very soon, very soon. Within shucks, we only got 2 days left of trading, so that's why you only got full 48 hours. So it's coming. It may start very soon and continue on come next week. Now, I haven't looked at the big chart, so this is particularly just on the 10-minute chart for people that do our binaries. I'm not going to trade right now. As you can see, the market is consolidating, and I'm not sure how long it's going to consolidate, but it is going to decide to move. It's coming at 12 o'clock. I'm thinking maybe sometime tomorrow or sometime tonight, beginning early in the morning. It may make its move. It's not going to continue this pattern for a long time. It's already did all day today. I'm not going to think it's going to do it all day tomorrow. It's going to decide to make its move. Whether you're there for that move or not, that will be on you. For somebody that's doing forex trading, just regular, buying and selling the market, I wouldn't put a big ass fucking pip. I shoot for like maybe 20 pips at the most. You're gonna get those pips. Those pips you're gonna get those pips. Maybe 30, but you're definitely gonna get 20. But, if you those are for beginners. People that don't know how to trade, I'm not talking to you. You know how to trade. This video is not for you. You do what you have to do. You break down this market, analyze this market, come up with a plan, and you do what you have to do. But once you get to this point, in trading, you do what you need to do as far as your market strategy, and go from there. People online that try to sell all these strategies. They just try to make money selling strategies. Some of these people aren't even good traders. So you just gotta watch out for stuff like that. People just try to make money. You just gotta understand the root of the issue. You're in this business because you want to make money, and everybody else is in it. Everybody isn't honest. So that being said, I get spammed on my channel. I didn't even build this channel to really be a YouTuber. I guess you would say I didn't build this channel to be a YouTuber. I really just wanted to document my stuff, and I know this was the best way to document my stuff. Whether I'm trading live or not. This is where I can document my journey. But as of right now, if you take a look at this pattern, you might think like, well, it's nothing. I mean, it went up. But take a look at other patterns that did the same things. Sometimes it continued on. It came here, consolidated, then pow, it took off. And sometimes it pow this way. But you just know the power is about to come. It's gonna be a major. This major movement right here. This strong ass movement right here. But it moved. How many pips did that move? From 108 to 198. That was a 60 pip move in a matter of an hour. That's why it meandered along after that. Excuse me, y'all. I got a text message. I'll answer that text here in a second. Yeah, I want you to just take a look at this. Phone call coming through. I'm gonna get back with you guys in a moment. Just give me just a moment. Yo, I'm back. I'm just gonna close this video out because it's already been lengthy. Sorry about the interruption earlier. But yeah, it's still meandering along. So guess you guys take a peek and do what you need to do for us your analysis and make your move. How the Jenkins shaking out.